My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Today's episode on Design Seeds, we will be sharing the top tips in designing a 50 by 95 5+2 bedroom bungalow. We have shared multiple episodes on tips on designing your home, but today's episode on Design Seeds, we will be sharing the top 5 rules for making your home look luxurious without breaking the bank. Before we begin, please support us by slamming on that subscribe button and click on that notification buzzer to stay in the loop of more compelling design episodes. Many have the impression that designing a luxury-looking home would mean splurging on expensive premium materials and furnitures. This episode, we will be sharing with you how to design your property to make it look luxurious and elegant. Let's start with tip number 1. Using carpets in your home. If you notice in this project, one of the key elements that creates a soft touch to the interior styling is the carpets. In the entrance foyer and the work studio, the carpet design improves the acoustic and visual impact of the space in a muted color that doesn't draw too much attention. At the living and dining area, a grand carpet statement that creates a unity for both spaces with an interesting custom-sized hand-tufted carpet that adds an engrossing character to the living and dining area. In the master bedroom, a large piece of silver carpet that matches the headboard color scheme is used to create an impression of a platform that enlarges the impression of the size of the bed. When you have a large bedroom and you feel that after placing the bed there, your bed feels too small, here's an idea for you. The carpet at the family hall outside the master indirectly creates a division of a cozy chill-out corner. Without the carpet, the impression of the space would be rather different. Tip number 2, be creative with lighting. Use a combination of overhung lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Plaster ceiling and lighting design is normally undermined. Instead of using conventional downlights and tube lights, start implementing magnetic and strip lights. Magnetic lightings are fairly flexible and versatile. It comes in varieties of fittings that can be conveniently switchable according to what's needed. If you need spotlight effects, diffuse lighting, or even pendant lights. In this project, a variation of lighting methods were employed. Magnetic lights that goes across the corridors, ceilings, and even down to the carpentry and headboards. Tip number 3, carpentry design. The carpentry works in this project has tons of enhancement that pushes the boundaries of craftsmanship, bringing carpentry design to a more interesting approach. As simple as standard doors, every door in this project is customized into an intricate piece of work, with vertical strips nailed onto the doors and a horizontal plate framed in gold trimmings adds so much more elegance and details to a simple door. Additional to that, the vertical strips goes beyond the door frames, which heightens the impression of the doors, making every opening feel imposing. Curved carpentry works with gold stainless steel inlays. This intricate details requires talented craftsmen. The kids' room is a space worth mentioning. The bedroom showcases creativity with the balance of practicality. A design that captivates the young hearts with its vibrant color scheme and jolly atmosphere. This design creates an optimum space planning, creating a bunk bed on the top and a study or play area beneath. And this is a clever play of space planning. Optimizing the steps to the bunk beds as storage cabinets is indeed a brilliant idea too. Tip number 4, highlighted premium materials. The marble and granite chosen for this project accentuates the spaces as a focal masterpiece. Marble splashback and wall features, especially for the dry and wet kitchen, makes the spaces feel posh and glamorous. A simple replacement of natural stones instead of the conventional carpentry woods makes the spaces ostentatious, which adds so much more character. An extension to the clever play of natural stones throughout the property to keep the overall concept consistent. The granite was also applied onto the headboard design, framing both sides of the headboard feature wall, flowing down underneath the side table, making the entire headboard achieving a wider and luxuriant outlook. Lastly, tip number 5. Choosing tasteful furnitures. There is no point of getting your home renovated tastefully and ending up with furnishing with its low-priced furnitures. Most people have the impression that a chair is a chair, a table is a table. However, the comfort and durability should not be undermined. Some furnitures can make good investments, as good furnitures can be brought forward with you when you intend to move to a new place, whereas most carpentry works you may need to leave them behind. Hence, investing on some of the right pieces in your home would certainly be worthwhile. Design Seed is looking to improve our video content and bring our videography standards to a higher level. We would appreciate if everyone could assist us with contributing a small figure by joining us in the membership program for us to feature to achieve our goals sooner to improve your viewing pleasure. This episode is sponsored by Gamuda. The Gamuda Cove development is one of the upcoming townships that is mindfully master planned and designed with conscious effort to incorporate the biophilic design concepts in developments to reflect the natural surroundings, which helps to recreate a place that encourages people to explore the outdoors and take part in activities together with family and friends for a healthier lifestyle. An ideal place for families and individuals who are looking for a well-rounded lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you have not subscribed to us yet, please click on that subscribe button and stay in the loop for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from Design Seeds. I'll see you guys next week.